Hello guys, today we have a Halford power supply for electric bike. This connector actually looks like Acer. However, this end looks like Toshiba. And I check on eBay, you can buy the... I'm scared of those power supply for £10, but they seems to have this connector. So I ordered one. However, I look inside what's going on here. It's usually not this input, not any high current, and here we have filter, first coil and second coil. So we got a 0 ohm all the way to the rectifier. So this is a rectifier, and second input we got a thermistor to protect capacitor, 6 ohm. First coil okay, capacitor, and second coil, look at that, nothing. You see, you get some mega ohms, the capacitor is charging. So there's problem somewhere in this coil, which is basically the filter, this coil. And if you can see there, maybe not, maybe yes, this is really strange thing, but this wire is disconnected. You see, it's disconnected from the board. So it looks like, well, it's not burned. It looks like somebody just soldered it and then pushed this coil this way and throw that wire. So I'm gonna solder it in. We'll see. If I don't see you guys, thanks for watching. So it's always worth it to open. However, you won't be able to fix power supply like this very often. Would I advise the best thing to do if you got a power supply with current protection, you can set, I don't know, this one is, let's say, 24 volts, 29, doesn't matter. So set the current protection like 100 milliampere, and you see here you got plus minus, connect 30 volts here, and if your current protection didn't kick in, you got 30 volts. If you will have 30 volts here, it means these capacitors, diodes are good. If your current protection kick in, then you most likely can have faulty these rectifiers, diode or capacitor, or maybe this resistor can be burned, which is basically current sensor. But yeah, if this is gonna be burned, you're not gonna have you're gonna have 30 volts here anyway. Yeah, and then you can't really check more things. Yeah, as you see, this capacitor is really unknown. It's a cheap power supply. But yeah, I'm scared of that one which I order, because it's good to have, basically. It's good to have spare one on hand. So I'm scared that one will melt whatever it will touch, because these cheap power supply from China are really bad. So it will be better to repair this one now. So I will see. If I don't see you, this coil will be fixed